Hello, my name is Michael Wanling. I'm 25 years old and I am taking this class as a prerequisite for my master's program in nursing. It's an entry-level nursing program, so some work experience is required, but you do not need a bachelor's in nursing to attend this master's program. At the age of 18, I really wanted to be a firefighter, so I went to school for 2 years trying to become a firefighter, and I got my minor in firefighting, but it still wasn't helping me land any jobs. So I decided to go for my EMT license, which is an emergency medical technician, where I went to school for 6 months and then I graduated and got on the ambulance to work non-emergency calls for about a year. And then after my year of probation, basically, I was allowed to work 911 calls with a paramedic. This really helped me get involved with the medical scene, and the more I did it, the more I knew I wanted to work in a hospital setting and not be a firefighter anymore. So I decided I needed to start applying to emergency rooms, and it was great because I could drive all around the county to figure out which emergency rooms I liked and which I didn't. I applied to about 3, and I landed a job at a pediatric hospital in Orange County, where I worked there for about 2.5 years. So I've had experience with patients who are 1 hour old all the way to patients who are 98 years old. I know that like the different care plans between pediatrics and geriatrics, what to do in certain emergency situations, and I became very proficient at my job. The more I worked in the emergency room, the more I talked with doctors, physician assistants, and nurses, and I eventually came to the conclusion that I wanted to become a nurse. And a lot of them said that they went for their master's program on the East Coast, and they have very good jobs after all this education. So I decided to go down that route. And right now, I am in my last year for my bachelor's. I graduate in fall 2020, and then I'm already applying for a master's program right now, and hopefully starts in August 2021. And I'm very, motivated to continue my education system to get to the next level of healthcare system. It's just something that I am really proud of. My hobbies, I do run a podcast with my friends right now because during quarantine we thought this would be the best time, so we all hop on Zoom and get our audio recording. We talk about new music coming out, we talk about movies, and it's just a way for all of us to connect and kind of like talk about our interests during these times where we're indoors all the time. But on top of that, I really do enjoy going back to school. It has been a very positive experience for me, and I hope that this chemistry class really teaches me more just about the basics that I need to continue on the master's program. It's great to meet all of you, and I hope to have a great semester.